Hey there, my friend and fellow trader. It's Will here over to XAUUSD.com. First, a big welcome to the video. So, today's video is your free trade setup for the week ahead. Last week's trade was a fantastic setup on the Aussie CAD, and I hope you banked some pips on it. Our service all in banked nearly 1,800 pips last week, was pretty powerful. Let's get into this week's trade setup. Okay, so this week's trade setup, I'm looking to buy the Aussie USD. Okay, and very basic setup. The reason I'm looking to buy this here is I'm looking reaction at this previous resistance area here. It's also 3.6 fib area, and if we zoom into the daily area, sorry, the weekly area, we've got a wee pause, small pause in the market here, okay, which is a weekly zone. Okay, we have this rally, pause, then a new rally to a new high on the weekly charts. Zoom into the daily charts. We also see a nice daily area here at that weekly trading zone. So that's the reason I'm looking to take this trade. On Monday, I'm looking to buy the Aussie USD. You can see in the 1 hour chart we are starting to see a lot of divergence signals happening as it approaches this area after that huge drop last week. So this is indicating to me that the likelihood next week we're going to get early next week a drop, then a rally back up, maybe longer term a move back down. But again, I trade Monday to Friday, open on a Monday, close on a Friday. So I'm expecting a drop maybe early Monday and a rally up the remainder of the week. So the setup is text buy AUDUSD at 0.6099, stop loss at 0.687, take profit. Okay, we'll go at 0.73. Okay, and that's the trade there. So you can pause the video, write that down. As always, trade at your own risk. The reason I'm looking to take profit is this here was your uptrend. Okay, we'll just get rid of this Fibonacci. Okay, we had this huge up move here. Okay, the trend was broken by, let's fix this here. This trend up here was broken by this area here. Okay. See, we have this sort of the actual down move started. Okay, so this will be around about 73 will be my target. So I'm expecting a reaction here, move back up, and longer term maybe a move back down. So we'll see what happens this week. As always, trade at your own risk. If you want to join the full signal service, remember you get both the weekly and the daily service with if you sign up today. So 2 for 1. If you have any questions, let me know at will@fxas.com, and have a great week, and I'll see you on the next video.